Was mir gefallen hat, war die Federung, die war sehr schön. Und das Handling war auch eigentlich sehr gut. Was mir sehr gut gefallen hat, ist zum Beispiel, dass man die Haltestellenbremse über das Bremspedal einlegen kann. Das ist zum Beispiel an Ampeln ist das immer sehr hilfreich. Man muss nicht die ganze Zeit auf der Bremse stehen und so weiter. Also so vom Handling gut.
I liked it very much. The ride quality was very smooth and didn't really feel differently than I would say an European bus. The first time driving a Chinese bus. Overall, I liked the experience, how the bus behaves while braking, while pushing the gas pedal, and also the steering. Very light, very normal. Everything was good about it.
The seats are really comfortable, and they have USB options for all seats. Two USB options for your phone and your tablet and every device, and a table for your laptop or a drink, and comfortable seat rest. And yeah, it's overall a really nice space to be in. It's spacious enough, spacious for your head and spacious for your side.
It's great. It's really a nice experience driving it. It's really comfortable. I like most the charging ports and I also mostly like the second doors because they are really wide and really nice to get inside the bus. And also the driving experience, on the bumps on the road, or I can't feel any bump on the road.
It's a very quiet, fast accelerating, very smooth braking. Perfect, really, I enjoy it. Best in class.
Yeah, it was a pleasure really to be here in the Busworld in Brussels and visit the Yutong stand, where it was very distinguished by location and by production. For production, really this year, always that we are not surprised to have new products from Yutong, and the development that they make this product always in the next level.
La verdad que estamos muy sorprendidos, gratamente sorprendidos. Es la primera vez que vamos a una expo mundial y muy bonito producto de Yutong, nos gustó mucho. Conocimientos y viendo las marcas, todas el rendimiento que traes en los eléctricos es por mucho mayor. Traes 850 y en los otros traes 600, el que anda así del tipo, le anda cuando mucho sencilla 500. Sí, hay mucha diferencia en tecnología.
Well, it's actually really surprising to see the development of all the coaches, and Yutong is really one of the highlights here at the Busworld, because also how to say, if you watch the buses, you see the development, you see how much they improved in the last years, and I think the European, and especially for us, the Austrian market, where I come from, is ready for Yutong. And I wish Yutong a lot of luck to get more and more buses to Austria.